So hello, today we're going to be looking at the derivative of the logarithm function. Okay, so let's see what they're asking us to do. Find the derivative of the following functions. All right, let's pick a color. What color should we use? Green. All right, so f of x equals ln of 3 minus x over x minus 2. All right, so f prime of x equals, so let's just put it right here. So the basic ln function, the derivative, is just 1 over x. We're going to use that. So in this case, we have ln of 3 minus x over x minus 2. This is 1 over 3 minus x over x minus 2 times the derivative of what's in brackets. So we need to use a quotient rule. So negative 1 times x minus 2 minus 3 minus x times the derivative of x minus 2, which is 1 all over x minus 2 all squared. Okay, so now let's simplify things a little bit. So in the numerator, what do we have? We have negative x plus 2 minus 3 plus x all over. If you notice in the denominator, we have 3 minus x over x minus 2 times x minus 2 all squared. We can cancel one of the x minus 2's out, and we're left with 3 minus x times x minus 2. And in the numerator, we can cancel out our x's, and we have 2 minus 3, which is negative 1. So f prime at x equals negative 1 over 3 minus x times x minus 2. Good. All right, let's see what we have next. So f at x equals log base 3 of 3x cubed. All right, so here we need to use the fact that if we had y equals log base b of x, and the derivative of y with respect to x is 1 over x times log of b. Okay. All right, so let's use this. So now we have f prime of x equals, again, 1 over 3x cubed times log of our base is 3 times, we need to use the chain rule, the derivative of 3x cubed, which is 27x squared. And we can simplify this a little bit. We have a factor of 3 in the numerator and denominator. We have x squared that we can factor out in the numerator and denominator. So we're left with 3 over x squared times log of 3. Okay, and we have one more. All right, it's not too bad. So again, f prime equals 1 over square root of x cubed plus 1 over 2 minus x squared times, again, the derivative of this square root. Actually, okay, let's go back and simplify things a little bit more. All right, so we have ln of the square root of x cubed plus 1 over 2 minus x squared. So let's rewrite this as x cubed plus 1 over 2 minus x squared raised to the power 1/2. Then we can use the property of logarithm and rewrite this as f at x. I just want to get rid of this. It's not minus. Whoops. Equals 1/2 of ln of x cubed plus 1 over 2 minus x squared. Now let's take the derivative of this. So f prime of x equals 1/2 times 1 over x cubed plus 1 over 2 minus x squared times, again, the derivative of this x cubed plus 1 over 2 minus x squared. So we're going to use our quotient rule. So 3x squared times 2 minus x squared. Oops. Give us a bit of space here. Minus x cubed plus 1 times negative 2x all over 2 minus x squared, well, x squared all squared. Okay, so now we need to simplify this. Let's make it a little smaller so we can see everything. Okay. Let's see. Okay, in the numerator, we have 3. Actually, we have, erase that. We have 6x squared minus 3x to the power 4. Again, our negative here and our negative 2, together they make positive, plus 2x to the power 4 plus 2x all over 2 times, we have our x cubed plus 1. We have a common factor of 2 minus x squared. We cancel that out, times 2 minus x squared. Let's see if we can simplify the numerator a little bit. What we have is 6x squared minus x to the power 4 plus 2x all over 2 times x cubed plus 1 times 2 minus x squared. So this is our x prime, our f at x prime. All right, so now last one, I think. Okay, so this one looks interesting. So we have f at x equals negative 3 over ln of x plus 2. So let's have a look at this one. So f prime equals, all right. Well, now let's see if we can clean up the f at x. So f at x is negative 3 in brackets ln of x plus 2 all raised to the power negative 1. I think that might be easier. Let's give that a try. So now f at prime equals negative 3 times negative 1 of ln x plus 2 in brackets raised to the power negative 2 times the derivative of what's in the square brackets. So 1 over x plus 2 times the derivative of x plus 2, which is 1. So now let's simplify everything. We have 3 over ln of x plus 2 all squared times x plus 2. Good. And that's our f prime of x. Let's see. Now, do we have anything else? No, that brings us to the end. All right. So that brings us to the end of our derivative of the logarithm. If you have any questions, send us a note at info@raisebymarks.com or give us a call day or evening, and we'll be happy to help you. Thank you for watching.